Sa futsal, bigong makaabante sa bronze medal match ng ASEAN Women's Futsal Championships 2024 ang Philippine Women's National Futsal Team matapos silang payukuin ng Indonesia sa score na 2-1. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Darrell Oclares.
Nagtapos na ang kampanya ng Philippine Women's National Futsal Team sa ASEAN Women's Futsal Championship 2024 kasunod ng kanilang 2-1 na pagkatalo laban sa Indonesia kagabi. Unang nakapunto si Alia Hendrita ng Indonesia sa first period na agad namang binawi ng home squad team captain na si Isabela Mandoja. Nanatiling tabla ang laban hanggang sa huling minuto ng second period bago makawala si Nisma Rosdiana na nasipa ang game-winning goal. Sa post-game press conference, hindi itinago ni head coach Vic Hermans ang kanyang pagkadismaya sa naging resulta ng laro.
I think when you see the chances, I think we must win this game. And I must learn that. I must learn that not her. She was not a power play player. But that is something. In the last minute they can score and you can play with 5. You saw after the 1 minute already you had the first chance. Okay, that is something what we must learn.
Ibinahagi rin Hermans kung ano ang susunod na akbang para sa koponan matapos ang ASEAN Championship.
The next of the team is I leave 12 December to Europe for 2 weeks. And then we start 3rd January in the camp again for the tournament in Australia. That's what we do.
Masakit man na naging pagkatalo ng Pinay 5 sa torneo, babaunin naman nila ang mga karanasan na magagamit nila sa FIFA Futsal Women's World Cup na gaganapin sa 2025. Mula rito sa PhilSports Arena sa Pasig City, Darrell Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.